If you've seen the Transformers movie, the Transformers can do all sorts of really cool things. And we can do a lot of really cool things in math too. So we have this robot here. One of the transformations it can do is a reflection. It can reflect across the y-axis, or it can reflect across the x-axis. It could also rotate or turn to its side or spin around. It can make a translation, which is where something moves from one place to another, going side to side or up or down. Think of the word translate. You're just kind of going from one country or one place to another. And a dilation, which means something gets larger or smaller. We're going to focus on translations and reflections this year. So here we have a robot. This hand right here, we're going to call this point B. And let's find the coordinates for that point. We always start here at the origin. We go over first, find an elevator, and take it up or down. So we're going to go over in the negative direction. So we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to get to here. So this would be -7 on a number line. And then we're going to hop on the elevator and go up 2. So that point is at -7, 2. If we make a reflection across the y-axis, that is this vertical line. So y is for yo-yo, it goes up and down. So this point here is 7 units away from the mirror. So we have to go 7 units on the other side of the mirror to make that point. So the coordinates of this new point would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the positive direction, but we're still going to go up 2. So 7, 2. Now, at this new point, there's this little apostrophe here. That's called a prime symbol. So we would call this point B prime. I wonder if that's how Optimus Prime got its name. Let's try another example. All right, here we have, ooh, sneaky. They put the original one on the right side. Okay, we can tell it's the original because it does not have the prime symbol. So the reflected one would be C prime. All right, so point C is located at +3, -2. If you go down below the x-axis, that is negative. So 3, -2. What would the coordinates be for C prime? We'd go in the negative direction 3 times, then go down 2 times. So we move to -3 first, go down to -2, and don't forget your parentheses. Now let's try to reflect across the x-axis. Here we have point E. It is 1 unit above the mirror. So if we're reflecting it across the x-axis, that point is 1 below the mirror. So the coordinates of point E, starting at the origin here, we'd go in the negative direction 3 times, hop on the elevator, and go up 1. The coordinates of E prime, the new point, would be -1, -2, -3, then go down 1, which is negative. So -3, -1. Let's try one more. So the original one is up here. It's the original because it does not have the prime symbol. So the coordinates of that one, starting at the origin, we're going to go over first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 1. What are the coordinates of F prime? We'll still go over 5, but this time we'll go down 1.